a good bond between the team.
It works amazingly
Yep.
for like
working
for one issue.
Yeah. All we need to do is issue, find, issue ID. And then we have the count of the votes, the count of the comments. It gets weird when you have to do like all of them.
So that's what you guys look like when you're working. All right, I got the law.
That's too funny.
We made it. I didn't think we'd all get together, but we pulled together as a team, all four of us.
It's almost actual size.
That's right. If we could have made it a little thinner. This is a project I've been working on for almost a decade. I first thought of it, and it was one of the last things I ever talked with my dad about before he died.
I believe in the idea, and it's a fun project. We're using a great framework, and I like who I work with.
I feel like we all listen to each other and we all weigh in on each other's opinions, which is a good thing.
Would it be like new issue title slug, created under tag name or something like that?
If it were anyone else, I would probably feel like a little embarrassed, but these guys are they're friends, so it's easy to work with them.
I also think like a lot of the conflict that Corey was talking about leads to better solutions. So yeah, we'll like hash it out for 5-10 minutes, but in the end we'll have a stronger product and a better code base. And we all just click, we get along.
Some of the things we can't do, we could do anything. So there's nothing we can't do.
I don't know, I guess it's hard to like think about the limitations when like we're just focused so much on getting it done. Focusing on limitations just seems, anti-productive.
Yeah.
Basically, I was counting all the data wrong instead of including the count in the query, and it would have slowed down our system tremendously. I collaborated with Bilal and Corey, and we figured out that it was just not even worth keeping any of it. So I went back in, and we're working through the proper solution to get it done, and I think that's, going back to the collaboration, that's one of the benefits.
Who do I want to work with? Who do I want to spend years and years and years building this with and building a business with? And my whole goal was to try and find great programmers that would make for a great team. Alex, Bilal, and Corey, and we just hit it off. We sat down and all talked about both sides, and everyone was in without any hesitation. And I think we worked so well together. And as Corey said, we will talk it out, and everyone makes a case. I think it should be this way. I think we should do this. Well, what about that? How would this work? What about this? Did you think of that? How about on mobile? And we collectively come around to, I think, the best decision. There is no way any individual could possibly make this anywhere near as good as it is with all the work we have done together. And I think that is the definition of a team.